the grumpy tabby, vanished one stormy night. Posters flooded the town. A week later, he returned with a tiny golden crown on his head. His owner laughed, thinking it was a prank, but then strange things began happening. Mice lined up like royal subjects. Birds brought him shiny trinkets, and dogs bowed in fear. One night, a cloaked figure knocked, whispering, "The feline king must return." Before anyone could react, Milo leapt into her arms, gave a regal nod, and vanished in a flash of light. The next morning, the crown remained, glowing faintly on the doorstep. Milo never came back.
That's awesome, right? I was able to earn my first $1,000 with these simple AI cat story short videos. And the best part? The tools I used were completely free, zero cost. Now, just give me a few minutes, and I'll walk you through the exact 4 simple steps I used to create these amazing monetizable AI videos. Agree with me? Alright then, let's begin. Step 1. We need to find an engaging short story that will hook the viewer's attention. The solution? ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Write a viral and engaging cat story in 100 words. Add a twist so that the viewers are hooked till the end. Click send and wait for the result. You now have your storyline. Next, let's generate a visual prompt. Write this prompt. Create a visual prompt or storyboards based on this story to generate visuals in Bing Image Generator. Click send, and ChatGPT will provide you with all the necessary prompts and scenes for the story. That's it for step 1. Step 2. Now we'll generate visuals or images based on the storyline. Go to Microsoft Bing and click on Copilot. It offers a very unique 3D image style, but you can also use your trusted image generator. Once it opens, click Sign In and use your preferred login method. I recommend using your Google account. Now it's time to generate the visuals. Head back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene prompt. Return to Copilot and paste it. At the end of the prompt, make sure to add, "Generate the image in 3D animation style." Submit the prompt and wait for the response. Once it finishes processing, the image will appear. Click the download icon to save it. Repeat this step for the rest of the scenes or prompts. Step 3. This step covers 3 aspects: sound effects, trending background music to help the video blow up quickly, and a voiceover that qualifies your video for monetization. Start with sound effects. Go to Pixabay and click on the sound effects section. You can also use any royalty-free sound site. Now return to ChatGPT. For each scene or prompt, find a word or element that would match a sound effect. For example, I found the words dawn and scattered trash can in my first and second scenes, so I searched for them on Pixabay and downloaded the matching effects. Next, the voiceover. There are plenty of great free text-to-speech (TTS) tools available. Don't worry, if your voiceover explains your video clearly, YouTube won't have a problem with it, whether it's paid or free, robotic or not. That said, I recommend using a TTS tool that sounds somewhat human. Once you've chosen your preferred tool, go to ChatGPT, copy the storyline, paste it into the TTS tool, select your desired voice or character, generate it, and download the file. For the background music, go to YouTube and search for Meow Meow Sound. Click on any cat video, copy the link, then go to a site called Ace Thinker. That's ACE Thinker. Paste the YouTube link, click search, and download the extracted audio. That's it for step 3. Step 4. Now for the final step, video editing. We'll use CapCut. I've made a video showing how to access CapCut Pro features for free. You can check it out, or refer to the description below for the link. Open CapCut and import all the project files you'll be using. Drag the voiceover to the timeline and cut out any unnecessary silent parts that make it sound weird. Once that's done, add your first image to the timeline. Don't forget to change the video ratio to 9:16, ideal for short videos. Zoom the image to fit the frame, and adjust its length to sync with the audio. Because the audio might be long, we'll cut some images into 2 or 3 parts. Then, we'll apply a slight zoom in so certain parts disappear and reappear later, syncing with the story. For example, my intro starts with the cat's name before the time jump, so I needed to adjust the image timing to match the voiceover. Repeat this process for the remaining images, ensuring everything aligns with the audio. Next, let's add some effects. Click the Effects tab. You'll find a lot of options. I personally like using camera shake and rebound swing. Pick the ones you like and drag them onto the images. After that, click the Transitions tab and add some transitions between scenes. Choose transitions that suit the tone and pace of the video. Once you're happy with that, add animations to each image to make the video more dynamic. I recommend using the combo animation style. as it includes both in and out animations for a smoother result. Now go to the captions section and click Generate. Wait for it to process. Then browse the Templates section and pick one that fits your video. You can also customize or change the animation style if the template doesn't match your vision. To protect your video, let's add a watermark. Go to Text, choose Default Text, and replace the placeholder with your channel name or any preferred name. Scroll down and reduce the opacity so it appears faint but visible. Make sure to place it somewhere that doesn't distract the viewer. Now add the sound effects. Trim any unnecessary parts and adjust their positions to match the images and voiceover. Finally, add the trending background music. Once everything is set and ready, click the export button to render your video. Now let's take a look at what we've just created.
Whiskers, a shy street cat, mysteriously appeared at Mrs. Langley's porch every morning, always at 6:06 a.m. sharp. One day she followed him. He led her through alleyways, then vanished. The next day, a note was tied to his collar. "Help me." Mrs. Langley, trembling, followed him again. This time, he led her to an old, locked shed. Inside, a missing child was found. Safe, but scared. Whiskers had brought her food every night. The news called him a hero, but the twist? Whiskers vanished after the rescue. Never seen again. Only paw prints remained, leading to the woods and stopping at thin air.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, and share it with your friends. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.